I'm Genevieve Dunn, Head of Community Engagement and Education at Queensland Ballet. I hope you're enjoying the season launch for 2021 and really look forward to sharing with you the amazing programs that our team is delivering throughout Queensland and Australia. So beyond main stage productions, Queensland Ballet Community and Education team deliver a diverse range of programs that range from in-school workshops to dance classes, junior membership programs and more. And really our aim is to make ballet as accessible as possible.
My favourite thing about Queensland Ballet Junior Friends is dancing with everyone.
Dance plays a crucial role in connecting communities. We certainly see across our regional tour program every year, whether it's 1 to 5 years through our Petit Pointer program, teacher professional development sessions, or Ballet for Seniors. They all have the ability to bring people together that are like-minded in their appreciation and love for the art form. So as part of the community engagement and education team, we see our role as aiming to demystify or perhaps challenge some of the perceptions around the elitism of ballet and really bring it down to its core, which is an appreciation of the art form and really finding that enjoyment and magic that comes from the movement and the music. In 2021, we are releasing a new type of junior membership program called QB Teen for 13 to 17-year-olds that will get these amazing, really bespoke experiences that help prepare them for their next move after high school.
I am hooked on ballet.
I just think it's a wonderful art form.
Everybody just enjoys the movement and we enjoy how we feel afterwards. It is just superb.
So for a long time we've been delivering dance classes at our home in West End, and in 2021 we'll be expanding that to deliver classes in our new site at the Queensland Ballet Academy Studios in Kelvin Grove as well. Also ahead in 2021 is a suite of digital education products, being an early years ebook, digital school workshops, so schools can purchase and deliver curriculum-based workshops for their students. A great thing about rolling out these programs is really seeing the joy that we can bring to people's lives. Whether it's a regional student learning ballet for the very first time, perhaps an 80-year-old lady that's coming back into the dance studio after a long break, or seeing 5,000 people dancing to Swan Lake at an outdoor theatre. Our team really enables that connection within communities and bringing that joy to people's lives.